Hi guys, it's Deepa and welcome back to my channel, and I'm back with a new DIY video. Actually, this is my first DIY video, and please like and subscribe my channel for more such videos. Now, coming to the DIY, it is a thermocol wall decor idea. So, at first, just take a piece of thermocol and mark down your words on thermocol. I took good vibes only as I loved it to be on my wall as it gives positive vibes. So you can take any codes of your wish. Now mark down all words as it is easy to cut down later. After marking all the words, take paper cutter or any other tools which is available and cut the words. And here's how it looks of mine. After cutting the words, now cut 3 thermocol sticks and paint it with black paint, and after painting, let it dry for some time. Now just take the words and paste it on the thermocol stick with the glue as I am doing. You can even paint the words before sticking. As I love to be it black and white, I tried it like as simple. So after sticking all the words, now let it dry overnight or 5 to 6 hours so that it sticks good and perfectly. And here you go how it looks after sticking. Now leave it drying for some time. After drying, put it on the wall using double-sided tape. So if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and click on the notification to get my new videos. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.